Her money holders, watch this video and be safe from loss. I give you guarantee, my brother. If you watch this video, you never lost, my brother. I give you guarantee. What's the prediction? Of coming time, there is a chance to they will move upward. There is a chance, my friends, to they will give you a profit. And absolutely, my friends, what's my opinion? Sell, hold, or buy. I also tell you this, my brother. So let's get started this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. After a very long time, my brother, if you can see here this time, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this chart you can see here plus 1.17%. Take a jump. Exactly, this chart is going to be show you to the price is on completely in the profit. So you can see here, my brother, after a very bad time, my friend, you can see here they take a jump, and you can see here this is completely short circulation, but definitely the total percentage, if you can see here, so it's going to show you to the positive. Absolutely, if you can see here the percentage is going to be positive, so it's mean to the price is in the profit now. So let's check out, my friends, the prediction. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. After this prediction, you understand to the upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So if you can see, my brother, this chart is completely showing, my brother, today completely fell down, especially in the previous day. But in the end, my friend, you can see here they completely moving upward. You can see, my friend, they completely moving at this circulation. To after a fails, my friend, they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here the circulation is zigzag. The arrow is going to be zigzag. After a jump they fails down. It's the end arrow. If you can see, my friend, end of arrow, my friend, you can see here they take a very good jump, and the arrow is going to be moving upward. If you remember the last 1 hour chart, absolutely in the positive. So it's me to my prediction. My technical analysis is going to be right. So her money one holder, you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you very good profit and they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching her money holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.